Welcome to the American University of Phnom Penh, AUPP. At AUPP, we inspire excellence, innovation, and leadership in a rapidly evolving world.
Our strategic plan is focused on four main themes.
Through a strong commitment to engagement, growth and development, thought leadership and innovation, AUPP empowers individuals to drive positive change, shape industries, and lead with purpose in an evolving global landscape, equipping them to excel in a dynamic and interconnected world. Through our partnerships with the University of Arizona and Fort Hays State University, students have the opportunity to earn accredited U.S. degrees, unlocking pathways to global careers and higher education. Built on a strong foundation of leadership and innovation, AUPP business graduates are equipped to excel, drive change, and lead with confidence in the global marketplace. Technology is shaping the future, and our School of Digital Technologies is at the forefront. At the AUPP School of Law, students gain real-world expertise from moot courts to expert mentorship, honing their analytical and advocacy skills for impactful careers in law and governance. AUPP School of Social Sciences, shaping global leaders to drive change, explore society, culture, and behavior through research and real-world insights to tackle global challenges. Since its founding, AUPP have achieved remarkable milestones shaping the future of higher education in Cambodia.
We are AUPP alumni.
Study locally, live globally. Join AUPP today. Contact us to learn more and apply now.